Hello everyone, welcome to the session of BIP reporting tool. We will implement one more important feature of BIP report is bursting. It means it will trigger the email with report attachment using bursting facility. These are the steps of bursting. We will add bursting query in the data model, then we will schedule the report. The bursting query is a SQL query that you define to provide the BI publisher with the required information to format and deliver the report. BI publisher uses the result from the bursting query to create the delivery XML. So this is the format of the delivery XML file. The main attribute in this delivery XML is the key attribute. Key must match with the delivered by element in the bursting section, which I will show you at the time of creation of bursting query. The bursting engine uses the key to link delivery criteria of the data. Template is the name of the report template. Locally will be the language that we select at the time of report creation. Output format depends on how do you want to display the data. It can be PDF, HTML format, Excel format, and many more. Del channel is delivery channel. It can be email, FTP, print, or fax. We can ignore time zone and calendar part. These are not at all mandatory in this delivery XML. We have to provide one output name. Save output, it's not at all mandatory. Again, from parameter 1 to 10, these 10 attributes will be changed depend on the del channel or delivery channel. For email delivery channel, parameters 1 to 10 will be this. Parameter 1 will be the email address, parameter 2 will be the CC, parameter 3 will be the from email address, parameter 4 will be the subject, parameter 5 will be the message body of that email, parameter 6 value will be true or false. If you want to get the report output as attachment in your email, then this parameter 6 value should be true. Parameter 7 is the reply to email address, parameter 8 is the business email address, parameter 9 to 10 are not used in the email format. Now we will see the parameter 1 to 10 in case of FTP. Parameter 1 will be the server name in case of FTP or SFTP. Parameter 2 will be the username. Parameter 3 will be the password. Parameter 4 will be the remote directory of that FTP folder. Parameter 5 will be the file name that we will put it in the remote server. Parameter 6 should be set as true to make it secure. Parameter 7 to 10 are not used in the FTP delivery channel. Let's log in into Fusion instance. I have already logged in into the Fusion instance. Now click on Navigator. Go to Report and Analytics under Tools section. Click on Browse Catalog. I will use same master detail report in bursting process. So in my previous session, we have created the master details data model and master detail report. Now edit the data model. We will write our bursting query in the data model first. Let's go to bursting section. Click on plus icon. Enter a proper name like XX demo. Supplier bursting. The type will be SQL query. Data source will be FSCM. Split by element will be vendor ID. Delivered by element will be the same as vendor ID. Now we will write our SQL query here. I have already prepared the bursting SQL query. So this is the query that I am going to write it in that box. Here I have selected vendor ID as key. This is the report template name. This is the locale that I have selected in the report creation operation. Output format will be PDF. Output name will be supplier detail. Delivery channel will be email. And these are the two parameters, parameter 1 and 2, which are email address and CC. Parameter 3 is the from email address. Parameter 4 is the subject and parameter 5 is the message body. I made the parameter 6 as true here as I want the report output as an attachment in my email box. This is the parameter 7. Now I'm going to copy this SQL query and paste it in the bursting section. Now save this data model. Go to catalog. Now schedule this report. Click on more. Select schedule. Select the supplier name, enter Dell Inc. Go to output. Here the destination is given as bursting definition. It means the destination will be determined by the bursting query that I have written in the data model section. Now click on submit. Enter the job name, demo test job. Click on OK. We got the confirmation like job successfully submitted. Now we can check the history of this job. Again click on more, select history option. So this is our job that we have submitted. Now the status is success. Click on return. I got the report output as attachment in my mailbox. Let's open this BI Publisher report email. So supplier details is the subject of this email. This is the body of the email. Open this attachment. So this is the output of the supplier Dell Inc. as we have selected Dell Inc. as parameter at the time of scheduling the report job. So this is the overall concept of bursting in BIP. Thank you and bye-bye.